Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Alam and today we are going to learn how to clear cache and cookies in Chrome browser. Sometimes we face a lot of problems while accessing any websites, so clearing out the cache from Chrome helps a lot. And it is very simple process, so watch this whole video and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So open your Google Chrome browser, then go to right top corner and click on these three dots. Then you have to click on settings. On this settings page, now you have to click on privacy and security and this kind of interface will open where you have to click on delete browsing data. Once you click on delete browsing data, this kind of window will open where you will have two tabs, basic and advanced. I would recommend you to click on basic and here you can select time range. When you click on this drop down menu, you can have many options like last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, all times. Select all time and then click on delete data. If you don't want to delete your browsing history, simply you can uncheck it. Deleting cookies and cache will definitely help you. Once you are done, then simply click on delete data. And once you have deleted cookies and cache, now you have to close your Chrome browser and reopen it and then you can try it. And let me know in the comment section if it has helped you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.